We all know that consistent follow-up is the key to great customer service. Bloom has an easy-to-use automation software that enables you to reply to leads, send questionnaires, and give payment reminders without lifting a finger. Your clients want a professional experience, but they also want a personalized touch. With Bloom, you can streamline your client communication using custom variables and selecting triggers and rules that ensure each client receives the emails they expect. Let's take a look at an example automation. First, head to Settings and then Automations, where you can choose from a list of ready-made automated templates or create your own by clicking New Automation. Let's say you'd like a recent client to review you a month after you work with them. Choose an email template you'd like to automate and then click the drop-down, choose 1 month after the project date. Then you can set a condition for moving to this step. For example, if the project status is completed, you can even pick a specific specialty and send unique emails to different camps based on the scope of the project. Start your 14-day trial with Bloom and discover how automating emails can simplify your workflow and elevate the way you make money.